Okay guys, let's do this. So we're gonna start by chaining 23. Now we're going to turn our chains like this and work on those little bumps. We're gonna skip the first chain, and in the second one we're gonna do a single crochet. Single crochet in the next chain, and single crochet in the next one. Two single crochets here. And then single crochet in the next 3 chains. Now we're going to skip this chain and work single crochet in the next 3 chains. We're gonna keep repeating this, and I will meet you there. I have finished my first row and I have 23 stitches. Let's just turn, and we're never going to work into this very first stitch. Single crochet in the first 2 stitches, then 2 single crochets on top here, then single crochets in the next 3 stitches, skip 1, single crochets in the next 3 stitches, two single crochets here, then single crochet in the next 3 stitches, skip 1, single crochets in the next 3 stitches, then 2 single crochets here, and single crochets in the last 3 stitches. We either start or end the row with 2 single crochets on this side and with 3 single crochets on this side. And now when we turn, we're not going to work the first stitch here. Single crochets in the first 3 stitches, 2 single crochets here, single crochets in the next 3 stitches, skip 1, and again 3, and 2 in the same stitch, single in the next 3, and then skip 1, single in the next 3, then 2 singles here and single in the last 2. So this is the end of row 3. Okay guys, just do one more row with pink and I will meet you to switch colors to yellow. For row 5, we're going to need our other color. And I'm going into those 2 sidebars here and bringing in my yellow and pulling down the pink. We're going to hide this little tail of yellow and we're going to ignore this. So just bring this one to the back and hide it into the stitches. And now you do just what you did before with the pink, you repeat with the yellow. We're going to have 4 rows with pink, 4 with yellow, 4 with pink again, 4 with yellow, and 4 with pink once more. So we're going to have 20 rows. I have done 4 rows with yellow, and all we have to do to go back to pink is take these 2 sidebars here and bring the pink through. Bring the yellow down. Okay guys, so we have our 20 rows. And now we have to do the edging. And we're gonna do this with yellow. So let's switch colors one more time. Into those sidebars, bring in the yellow. Now we can cut off the pink, and I like cutting it like almost the length of this side. And we're gonna need 19 stitches on each of the 4 sides. We're gonna hide this as well. So we're just gonna go in here and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. And we are done with this side. And you're gonna do the same on this side as well. So we're just gonna go into this very first stitch here and do a single, a half double next to it, half double in the next as well, and double right here in the middle. Half double in the next 2 stitches, And then right here we're gonna have a single. And because there's only 18 stitches now and we need 19 on this side, we're just going to work on this corner 2 singles. So 1 and 2. And this one will count for this edge. Keep going with 18 more stitches here. I have done the 19 stitches here. And here it's a little bit different than here because we're starting in a low point and we're gonna have a single crochet right there, and in the sidebar of this single crochet we're gonna do another single crochet, and this is called a stacked single and it substitutes a double. Now we're gonna do a half double, half double, and then a single on top, and we're gonna skip one, and again we're gonna do half double, half double, and double, half double in the next, half double in the next, then skip one and single, skip one and half double, half double, double, half double, half double, single, then half double, half double, and we're gonna do 2 doubles here in this last stitch. And we're going to slip stitch into this very first stitch of the round. And now we're gonna do the blue edging. We're gonna do the corner right here on those slanted stitches. So let's just bring our yarn into this one. We're going to chain 1 and do a stacked single. We're going to do a stacked single and a chain 1, and this substitutes our first treble of the corner. Into the same space we're going to do 2 more trebles. Chain 2, and into the next stitch we're going to do 3 trebles. And this concludes our first corner. Now we're going to skip 2 and work 3 doubles. Skip 2, work 3 doubles, And now we're going to skip just one and do the corner here, which means 3 trebles, chain 2, 3 trebles. And if you find yourself in a situation like this where you have too few stitches or too many stitches, don't be afraid to either skip 1 or 3, because in the end all that matters is that we have the right number of stitches on this row. Just make sure that the corner is actually in the corner and it's in these 2 slanted stitches here. What you have to do is basically work this 3 more times and then meet me for the last round. I just finished going around. Let's just slip stitch here. And now for the last round, we're just gonna go into the same space and do a single crochet in the next, single crochet in each stitch, and 3 single crochets in the chain 2 spaces. And I will meet you for the slip stitch here. I just finished going around again, and we're gonna slip stitch right here in the first stitch we did. We can now cut the yarn and bring it to the back. This concludes our Granny Square series. If you haven't already seen the other videos, go ahead and check them out. I will also be preparing the Groovy cardigan tutorial. I'm really excited about that one. And I will show you just how many squares you need, how to assemble the back panel, the front panels, the sleeves, and how to bring it all together then and do the edging and everything else. And I will see you there. Bye!